And we're gonna see, Karis, get out the way.
Alright, we gotta close the door.
Yes, we do. So everybody come in. Alright, this is Kravitz's first bath. Kravitz, are you ready to take your bath?
High five, buddy.
He's like, I don't usually hang out in here, so. Okay, I got my soap. Okay. That needs to get on my knees.
Do you want me to get on my knees?
I'm sitting on the toilet.
Okay.
Do you want me to come close?
Time for your bath.
See? It's just water.
See?
Now you're gonna put him in?
It's just water. See?
See? Put your hand
Okay,
in.
I didn't ask for your assistance. See? It's just water. It's just water.
Does he like it?
Yeah.
He's calm. Just water. See? Got your paw? Just water. Not the front paws.
Okay.
Okay.
Still get the bath.
Let's go.
Go.
Woo, all right, look.
Is he in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. All right, all right. Oh,
Are you okay?
back. Then on my
okay?
back.
Oh, he's all wet.
Yeah. All right, it's just water. It's just water. It's just water. Okay, take. Ow.
Stop. Stop.
Ouch, ow, ow.
Stop.
I thought I did. Well, that's not
Baby
good.
cat. Just cuckoo.
Wait, stop.
I'm trying to think what my next step is.
I already
Put him in the shower.
How was it, Kravitz? Did you like it?
No.
Alex, stop. You're making him worse. He's scared.
Okay.
I should